Welcome back, everybody, to another phenomenal episode of Woodness Goodness. We are here because we are doing an emergency build to give these kids something to do while we are all stuck at home. We are building the most ultimate treehouse you've ever seen in your entire existence. So let's get after it. Yeah, baby, we did it, we did it! The minivan. Who says a minivan isn't man? What we just did here is we built a bit of a ribbon here, or whatever you want to call it, to keep everything square, because I'm not a professional, but I know a couple tricks like professionals do. Actually, I have no idea. Don't quote me. But we're just mapping out the fort here. Hey guys, hey girls, I got some fans over there. I'll sign autographs later. 8 feet wide, 10 feet out. We're gonna build maybe a second tier, a bridge to that tree. Do the epic dance, Judah. That's what we're teaching our kids. Okay, after like 4 hours, we finally have this thing pretty much perfect. We've got it all braced off so our posts stay square. And now we're gonna do some concrete. Come on, Tommy, get in it! All right, guys, welcome back. This is my brother, Tommy. Say what up, Tommy.
What's up?
Okay, this is the second day. We got all the concrete poured. It cured overnight. I mean, it's that quick dry stuff, or quickcrete, quick dry and quickcrete. So we started by putting this framing around the bottom to get all our holes squared, and now this is going to be the top floor of the old fort. So we're gonna cut these bad boys down. Maybe not quite yet, because we might actually use them, and we're gonna put our floor joists in. So let's get after it. Oh man, the production quality.
Yeah, baby. Check it out, man.
Oh yeah. Although I don't know how many screws we put in those. GRK fasteners, baby. I budgeted 5 GRK 5.5-inch fasteners to go through our beams into the beams. The beams into the beams. Beans are cool. Ow. fence Ryobi, but you just don't cut it, literally. We got 16-inch centers on those, right? On that side, 16-inch centers here. But in the middle is where you're gonna get those warps. So we're taking those warps out right now. So we're making a little platform here that's gonna support this bridge, which is made out of 2x12s. Anyhow, with this platform we're going into the tree, I got these like 10-inch GRK screws to go right into the core of the tree. Well, this tree is real strong and I keep getting the screws stuck. Like, look at the size of these things. So I've realized I don't think we have to go exactly that deep. So the screw was going in just fine. Like, I tried another big one and then my battery just went, no thanks.
Yeah.
Got some GRK fasteners into the tree. She is in there. We built this platform, 2 2x8s into the tree, and then this thing basically rests on this. But we are putting in some brackets with some more GRK fasteners. That way this bridge ain't going nowhere. This right here was a 12-inch GRK fastener that got stuck, and I have yet to remove it. cutting a hole in this here. We're gonna drop a, what do you call this? Yeah, looks like Rapunzel's hair. So we've got supports under here up against the joist, so this wood won't fall through, and it's supported when people walk on it. We're gonna cut them out and make this little door. Okay. Now, those go like that. Boom, boom. And now, we're gonna go underneath it and then put more decking crisscross, and that will hold it all together. All right, push it up towards me.
Oh yeah!
All right, so we're gonna just add some more strength here by putting in from the other side now. So it's sandwiched together. What? Then drop him the rope. All right, buddy.
Oh, I was trying
Now you bring the rope up and you shut it so no intruders can come in. It works, people! I'm not gonna be sued! And there you have it, a treehouse for the kiddos. I mean, honestly, this is a bit of a treehouse for the adults too. It's sturdy, it's strong. My brother-in-law Tom can go up there and have a brewski with his bros. And as you can see, he also added a climbing wall for the kids. And yeah, I mean, for a weekend's worth of work, that was a lot of fun. And it's gonna be a treehouse that will stick around for a long time, and one that I'm pretty jealous of. Hope you guys enjoyed this episode. Be sure to like, follow, subscribe, because we are posting more cabin build videos. All right, we'll see you guys next time. See ya.